Hey everyone, if you're facing a QuickBooks payroll error and not sure how to fix it, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So yeah, you can get payroll running again without stress. All right, first things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, QuickBooks Payroll needs a strong connection to sync data. So if your internet is slow or disconnecting, errors can pop up. Next, go ahead and update QuickBooks to the latest version. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons for payroll errors, so keeping it updated usually fixes a lot of issues right away. Now, check if your payroll subscription is active. So, just go to your account or billing settings and confirm everything is up to date. If your subscription expired, payroll features won't work properly. Another quick fix is to run QuickBooks as an administrator. Yeah, sometimes permission issues can block payroll processes, and this simple step can solve it instantly. Okay, so make sure your payroll tax tables are updated. QuickBooks relies on the latest tax data, and if it's outdated, errors can show up during payroll processing. If the issue still isn't fixed, you can use the QuickBooks Tool Hub. This tool helps diagnose and repair common problems automatically, which is super helpful. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix QuickBooks payroll errors in 2026. Try these steps one by one, and your issue should be resolved. And if this helped, feel free to check out more QuickBooks guides. Hey everyone.